Feeling shipshape, unlocking the mystery of English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a very interesting phrase, feeling shipshape. If you've ever wondered what it means to feel shipshape or where this phrase comes from, you're in the right place. Let's set sail into the heart of this expression. The phrase, feeling shipshape, is used to describe a state of being well organized, tidy, and in good condition. It's often used not just to talk about physical spaces, like your room or office, but also about one's personal health and well-being. When someone says they're feeling shipshape, they're essentially saying they feel on top of things, ready to tackle their day with vigor and efficiency. To truly appreciate this idiom, it's helpful to know where it comes from. The term, shipshape, has its roots in nautical terminology. Historically, keeping a ship in shape was crucial for the safety and efficiency of its voyages. Everything on board had to be properly stowed and the vessel needed to be in excellent condition to handle the sea. Thus, the term became synonymous with meticulous organization and readiness. Incorporating idioms like feeling shipshape into your everyday conversation can add a layer of richness to your language. Here are a few examples of how you might use it. After a long weekend of cleaning and organizing, you might say, "I'm feeling totally shipshape now." When a friend asks how you're doing after recovering from a cold, you could respond, "I'm feeling shipshape. Thanks for asking." In a professional setting, after completing a big project or organizing your workspace, you might comment, "Everything's shipshape and Bristol fashion here." To expand your vocabulary further, let's look at some similar expressions. In tip-top condition, just like feeling shipshape, this means being in excellent condition or state. All squared away. This is another way of saying everything is in order and properly arranged, often used in both personal and professional contexts. Understanding phrases like feeling shipshape not only helps you grasp the richness of the English language but also gives you interesting insights into its cultural history. We hope this video has made you feel a bit more shipshape in your English language journey. Remember, exploring idioms and expressions is a fantastic way to make your English more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening content in our next video. Stay shipshape until then.